good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time is in your country, in your place. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. I have some things for you as gifts. Okay, at least at the end of this video, you take one of these things to your place. So I want to talk about the poisonous food that is now found in the hotel. You will not know it except someone tells you. So today I will point out one of it so that you can stay away from it. Maybe you will be able to prepare your own food so that you will not eat what these people are doing in the restaurants and in the hotel. So we know this thing to be called paracetamol. We use it maybe if we have some medical needs. I will not prescribe it for you because I'm not a medical doctor. You go to the chemist and ask what they are using this thing for. At least you've known it already, but people have abused it up to the point that they are using it to cook food. Imagine someone taking the whole of this at once, not to talk of taking the whole of this at once. So you need to be very careful. You have money, huh? It is not a lie, but you need to know what to do with your money. Sometimes you need to cook your food so that you eat what you like to eat, not for someone to give you something else that you don't know. So let's see what these people are doing in the hotel. There are some meats that are difficult to be chewed in the hotel, or if you are cooking food, you find out that these meats are very tough. You cannot eat it. So probably you are supposed to cook it for a long time for it to become tender. But because of the research of people, I don't know if that research is a good one or carnal research. They have discovered that they can put medicine in the food and it will do something to that thing they are cooking. For example, they put paracetamol as they are cooking meat, and that paracetamol will make the meat to be tender or soft easily. They also use this paracetamol in different abusive ways. So when you eat this meat, you realize that you feel what makes this meat to be as tender as this way. You discover that they have put something in cooking the meat. Sometimes someone will cook a whole bag of beans within 3 hours. What are they using to cook these beans? They are using paracetamol to cook the beans. So this is what you need to learn and understand and stay away from this public food, or you become sick. You die without knowing or being prepared for that date. So we encourage you to learn very well, and when you learn something, be able to practice those things, and don't allow time wasted to kill you. That 5 minutes you don't want to waste in cooking your food, you may die before that 5 minutes. Okay, so you need to learn some things and do it for yourself. Learn how to cook. Choose the type of food you want to cook and cook it for yourself, or let someone that you know cook it for you. Not to go to a public place where they are using paracetamol to cook meat. Then you go and buy it. You don't know what you are eating. You are eating poison to yourself. So I, I hope you will learn something today. And there is one of the song that they will sing when you die. So I will sing the solver notation of that song. Then you will go and do research and look for the wordings of that song. So it goes this way. Mi, so, re, mi, lo, la, so, mi, so, la, so, do, re, mi, re, do. Mi, va, son, do, mi, re, do, la, do, te, la, so, mi, re. Mi, va, son, do, mi, re, do, la, do, la, so, mi, do, re, mi, re, do. So what song is that? Can you write a song using that tune? Go and do a research. So I've studied this notation and I've been able to sing it off hit. If you have any song you want to write, you may learn how to sing the notation. When you have good notation, you will be able to present your song in a very good way. Now let me show you the notation that I was singing. If you will be able to sing it with me, this is it. Can you see it? Can you read it? Okay, so we'll sing it together. We'll sing it together. Yeah, let's sing. Can you start it? Okay, I will help you to start it. Let's go. Mi, so, re, mi. La, so, mi, so, la, so, do, re, mi, re, do. Let's continue. Mi, va, son, do, mi, re, do, la, do, te, la, so, mi, re. Mi, va, son, do, mi, re, do, la, do, la, so, re, mi, re, do. Wow, that's nice. If you were able to join me or identify the note as I was singing, I think that's very good. So when you die, they will sing this song for you. Maybe you eat this paracetamol food or meat in a hotel or restaurants, then the thing will cause sickness for you and you die. They will be happy to come and sing this song for you. So be careful, learn this song and sing it for yourself. Don't eat poisonous paracetamol food in a restaurant and wait for someone to come and sing this for you. Sing it for yourself, sing it for your people. So let me introduce you to how they call these letters or notations. Okay, so let's say it this way. This one, the first one is written like M. Okay, is me. So the song is full of me, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 me at the first stanza of the song. It says me, so, re, mi, la, so, mi, so, la, sol, do, re, mi, re, do. Mi, fa, sol, do, mi, re, do, la, do, do. Si, la, sol, mi, do, mi, re. Mi, fa, sol, do, mi, re, do, la, do, do. Do, la, sol, mi, do, re, mi, re, do. So I hope you'll be able to learn how to sing today. Then choose a tune for yourself. The tune I'm using is soprano or solfa notation. Oh, sorry. You thought I wanted to say supramol or paracetamol. This one, you don't need to take paracetamol. You can sing it without taking paracetamol. Sorry. But stop eating meat that is cooked in the hotel. Most of this meat is cooked with paracetamol. When you eat, you will become sick, then you may die, and they will come and sing the weddings of this notation for you. There is a song that has this notation, but do a research and comment below. Let me see if you know the song at all. So remember, part of the things you see in this channel is educational video in all parts or aspects of your life. You see religious, you see songs like how to sing, how to identify the voice that is favorable to you, that you can sing without collapsing on the way. So if you want to know more about that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, then share this video to your friends, then let them watch and comment if they will know the song that I'm singing, the solver notations. So before we go, remember the name of the channel is called Uyubong Musical and Scriptural Truth. So you will learn music in this channel, you will learn scriptural truth, and you will learn other truth like the one I'm pointing out to you today, the evil thing that people are doing in the restaurants and in the hotel. You need to understand that this thing is not good. They use it to cook fast, but it's become poisonous to those that are eating it. So before we go, I will share one scripture with you today. This is my scripture, my Holy Bible. It has other scriptures containing in it that are written to help us to be wise and mature in our conduct. So I will read um, a short verse, just one verse from the book of James in the New Testament. So when I read, you will ponder upon this message and see what is teaching you. So in James chapter 4, verse 17, it says, therefore, to him that knoweth to do good and doeth it not, to him it is sin. Sorry, the scripture I'm using is King James Version of the Bible. So you can see the verse 17 of that James chapter 4, and you can read it, okay? It says, therefore to him that knoweth to do good and doeth it not, to him is a sin. That means if you see things that are not good, you need to voice out, you need to talk, warn the person, as we learned that when we are converted, we need to strengthen our neighbor. If we are being warned, we need to warn our neighbor. So I've learned that what these people are doing with meat is not good in the hotel. So be warned today. Do not say you did not know. That's why you ate that meat. Learn today, cook your meat, or you eat in a restaurant that you know that they will not do this evil. Or you select the type of meat that you eat. If you know the type of meat that is so difficult to cook, go away from that meat, or you cook it by yourself. If you allow the restaurants or hotel people to cook, they may put paracetamol. They may put paracetamol and cook it, and it will make the meat to be soft easily. Remember, these people in the hotel and restaurants, they are using gas or whatever thing. So they are buying all those things. They are thinking of how to cook these things so that it will not take much of their gas and time. So they apply this paracetamol to make it be soft easily. But be careful, it's deadly. It kills many, and many are sick. Be careful, be warned. Remember, the channel name is Uyobong Musical and Scriptural Truth. Subscribe to the channel, click the like button. If you also wish to click the dislike button, men are free according to the flesh. You can click it, but make sure you comment in the comment section so that I will know what you are feeling about the video and what type of video do you want me to be doing. Let me know also in the comment section. I am so happy and I'm waiting to see you in my next video. But before you can see my next video, make sure you click the subscribe button, then turn on the notification bell. Okay, it's very simple. Just click it, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you see and learn truth that will make you to be healthy and strong and never to die young. Okay, thank you. Click the like button. I'll see you in my next video. Have a very wonderful day. Okay, safe journey. Goodbye.